Ethiopia has a rich musical heritage with legendary artists who have made a lasting impact both locally and internationally. Here are 10 of the best Ethiopian musicians, known for their contributions to various genres including Ethio jazz, traditional, and contemporary music. Mulatu Astatke, known as the father of Ethio jazz, pioneered a unique blend of Ethiopian music and jazz. His music has influenced global artists and has been featured in various films and TV shows, including Broken Flowers. Mahmoud Ahmed, a legendary vocalist known for his soulful voice and fusion of traditional Ethiopian sounds with modern arrangements. His album Ethiopics Volume 7 is highly regarded worldwide. Tilahun Jesses, often called the Elvis Presley of Ethiopia, was one of the most beloved Ethiopian singers. Famous for his powerful voice and deeply emotional songs, she blends traditional Ethiopian music with reggae, jazz, and world music, collaborating with renowned musicians like Bill Laswell. Aster Awek is often referred to as the Aretha Franklin of Ethiopia, due to her expressive voice and passionate singing style. She has had a significant influence on Ethiopian pop music. Teddy Afro, a modern Ethiopian pop star known for his socially conscious lyrics and reggae-inspired sound. His music is widely loved, and his album Ethiopia was a huge success. Ali Bira, a legendary Oromo musician who promoted Oromo culture and music for decades. His songs focus on love, unity, and social issues. Nue Debebe, a highly respected singer known for his romantic ballads and smooth vocals. His contributions to Ethiopian pop and soul music remain timeless. Ephraim Tamiru, one of Ethiopia's most celebrated musicians, is known for his deep lyrics and powerful melodies. Getachew Makara, a saxophonist famous for his energetic Ethio jazz performances. He helped shape the Ethiopian jazz scene and collaborated with international musicians. These musicians have played a crucial role in shaping Ethiopian music and bringing it to the world stage. Who is your favorite among them?
ምርጥ 10 ኢትዮጵያዊ ሙዚቀኞች። የኢትዮጵያ ሙዚቃ ዓለምን ያስደመመ ድንቅ ጥበብ ነው። እነዚህን 10 ሙዚቀኞች ያውቋቸዋል? ካላውቋቸው ነው። የኢትዮ ጃዝ አባት ሙላቱ አስታጥቄ የኢትዮጵያን ሙዚቃና ጃዝ በማዋሃድ አዲስ ምዕራፍ ከፍተዋል። ሙዚቃቸው በዓለም አቀፍ ደረጃ ተደናቂነትን አትርፏል። የማህሙድ አህመድ ድምጽ ነፍስን ያድሳል። ባህላዊውንና ዘመናዊውን በማዋሃድ ዓለምን አስደምመዋል። ከኢትዮፔትዌስ ሆዌን 7 ኩ የግድ መስማት ያለባቸው አልበም ነው። የኢትዮጵያ ኤልቪስ ፕሪስሊ ጥላሁን ገሰሰ በዜማዎቹ ልብን ይነካል። ድምጹ ለዘላለም ሲታወስ ይኖራል። ጂጂ የኢትዮጵያን ሙዚቃ በዓለም አቀፍ ደረጃ ያስተዋወቀች ድንቅ ሴት ናት። ከሬጌ ጃዝና ከዓለም ሙዚቃ ጋር በማዋሃድ ልዩ ሥራዎችን ሰርታለች። አስቴር አወቀ የኢትዮጵያ አሬታ ፍራንክሊን በመባል ትታወቃለች። በድምጾና ስሜታዊ በሆነው አዘፋፈኗ የብዙዎችን ልብ አሽፍታል። ቴዲ አፍሮ የዘመናችን ኮከብ፣ በማህበራዊ ጉዳዮች ላይ የሚያተኩሩ ግጥሞቹና ዜማዎቹ ተወዳጅነትን አትርፈዋል። አሊ ቢራ የኦሮሞን ባህልና ሙዚቃ ለ10 ዓመታት ሲያስተዋውቅ የኖረ ድንቅ አርቲስት ነው። ዘፈኖቹ ስለ ፍቅር፣ አንድነትና ማህበራዊ ጉዳዮች ያወራሉ። ነዋይ ደበበ በለስላሳ ድምጹና የፍቅር ዜማዎቹ ይታወቃል። ለኢትዮጵያ ፖፕ ሙዚቃ ያበረከተው አስተዋጽኦ ወደር የለውም። ኤፍሬም ታምሩ ትውልድን ያሳለፈ ድምጻዊ፣ በጥልቅ ግጥሞቹና ኃይለኛ ዜማዎቹ ይታወቃል። ጌታቸው መኩሪያ የሳክስፎን ንጉስ፣ በኢትዮ ጃዝ ሙዚቃ ልዩ ተሰጥኦውን አሳይቷል። ከእነዚህ ሙዚቀኞች ውስጥ ማን ይበልጥ ይወዱታል? አስተያየቶን ከታች ይጻፍ። እንዲሁም ይህን ቪዲዮ ሼር በማድረግ ለሌሎችም ያካፍሉ። የኢትዮጵያ ሙዚቃን አስተዋውቁ።